Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
PM Modi slams JMM Congress alliance in Jharkhand, cites betrayal. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing an assembly in Jharkhand's Chaibasa, criticized the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, JMM and Congress coalition, accusing them of failing the tribal population. Modi specially targeted Jharkhand's Chief Minister Hemant Soren, alleging that his alliance with Congress has done little for the welfare of tribal communities. He recalled the Gua massacre from the 1980s, in which numerous tribal activities were killed, and held Congress responsible, stating that it discredited the struggles of those who sought statehood for Jharkhand. Modi also condemned JMM's collaboration with Congress, calling it a betrayal to tribal values. Hemant Soren criticizes BJP's alleged neglect of farmers and poor. In a recent election rally at Daltonganj, Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren attacked the BJP, asserting that the party has lost support among farmers and economically disadvantaged group. Campaigning for Congress candidate KN Tripathi, Soren accused the BJP of failing to fulfill its promise of doubling farmers' incomes, pointing out that many BJP-ruled states have ignored the needs of rural communities. In contrast, he highlighted his administration's commitment to Jharkhand farmers by waiving loans of up to 2 lakh rupees. Bihar's Vijay Sinha challenges Tejashwi Yadav on crime data. Bihar's Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sinha recently responded to RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav's criticism of the state's crime rates. Sinha, representing the BJP, argued that Yadav's crime bulletins are often based on unverified statistics and accused him of spreading misinformation. Sinha asserted that the Bihar government is taking effective steps to control crime and corruption, and emphasized that Yadav's claims are misleading and he has not investigated the incidents he frequently discusses. He contended that Yadav's reports aim to incite unnecessary fear rather than providing constructive solutions. Misha Bharti criticizes Giriraj Singh's comments on Hindu safety. RJD MP Misha Bharti recently criticized BJP leader Giriraj Singh for his remark on Hindu security, questioning why he would claim Hindu interests are at risk when the BJP controls the central government. Bharti expressed that such statements create confusion and questioned whether Singh's comments are targeted at his own party. She further challenged Singh to demonstrate how he has supported Bihar's local industries, suggesting that his contributions have been minimal. Additionally, Bharti took aim at Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's preparation for the flood season and the Chhath festival, accusing him of overseeing arrangements superficially rather than addressing citizens' needs directly. Bharti's remarks add to the existing political friction between RJD and BJP, as both parties debate the government's handling of religious and public welfare issues in Bihar. Assam CM Sharma demands JMM deregistration, cites national security. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has stirred controversy by calling for the deregistration of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, JMM, alleging its support for illegal infiltration. Sharma, a BJP leader known for his strong stance on national security, accused the JMM of undermining India's interest by supporting unauthorized migration. He argued that any political party that aligns itself with illegal migrants should lose its political legitimacy. His statement comes amidst tensions with the India Bloc, which filed a complaint against him with the Election Commission, alleging his comments incite social division. Sharma's call for action against the JMM reflects the BJP focus on stringent immigration policies, particularly as the Jharkhand elections approach. His remarks are expected to intensify the political debate over security and